I know, there's birds everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's another little bird trying to hide from me. Oh yeah, I see you over there. You're not that clever. We're here by the 8640 John Deere. Anyway, I'm doing a little looking around out here. Check and see how everything's going today. Plenty of hay in the barn right there. Well, wanted y'all to know, hey, I'm not a city slicker. You can see we got it all ready. Getting ready to cut corn here pretty soon. Got all the toys out. All toys are ready. All right, everybody. Oh, yeah, you can see way on out yonder, there's a rooster out yonder, a couple of roosters. Boy, howdy, I love coming on over here. I'll be nice and quiet. There's a couple of birds right there. More damn birds you can shake a stick at. Of course, you shouldn't shake a stick at a bird, but yes, sir. There's some pretty birds out here. Yep. I know, them are not chickens. I know, they're not chickens. There's a lot of fun now. Look, there's no one over here in the bushes off to the left. Worse than chickens. Man, these things just go everywhere. Alright, everybody. You can see the funny looking chickens over here. There's 3 or 4 of them right there. There's another one over there. Holy cow. There's not little baby ones over there too. Hi guys. See, they're all over the place. See that? They're just all over the place. Why, hello birdies. Alright guys, that's what I do. Come on over here to the pumpkin patch, see how it's looking. Alright girls, keep an eye on it for me. Yep. Who would have thunk it? Best guardians you can ever get. Peacocks. I know, boring Bob out here doing the same boring stuff I always do, because people like my chickens, even though they're called peacocks. Sure is quiet out here today. I sure like it like this. I know this ain't the freeway, this ain't a lot of traffic, this ain't a whole bunch of stuff going on, but this sure is fun to be out here on the farm like I belong. Alrighty guys, that's how it looks. Gives you something to see, something different. Y'all don't get to come out here in the country like this all the time. All you city folks smoking your pot, smoking your this, smoking your that. I'm good with that. Come on, try that on the farm. But I'll wander on back here, I'll find a whole bunch of that. See, there's another chicken right there. See? There are just chickens everywhere. I know, I feel at home. I hear you there, chicken, rooster, whatever the hell. I know, you're a big old bird. Look at all these damn feathers everywhere. Ooh, yeah, lots of feathers. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, see, there's even chickens in the bushes here. You gotta look real careful to find them, but there's one back in there moving around. That's okay. I see you sneaking up on me. I see you too. All these damn chickens are just chasing me everywhere today. I know they're not chickens, they're blue chickens. Peacocks. I don't mind. I like birds. See, there they go. Yeah, are back in there like they belong. See, sticking its head up over there. And there's a couple of them over here. I keep telling them, don't be a chicken. Don't be a chicken. You'll be just fine. All right, guys, this is the time you've been out here on the farm with Stoner Bob. I hope you enjoyed your visit. We'll come on out here and do this again sometime. Might get a video of us picking corn this year. Not really sure if we're going to have that much time. We'll give it a shot. It's almost picking season. I know, harvest season. Okay. All right, well. Let's see if any of the cows are over here today for you to say hi to. Anybody want to say hi to the cows? See, the chickens are over there by the cows. Don't give me that sick cow look. Come on over here and visit with me. Yeah, I see you over there. Come on out the barn. You can come on out and visit with me. Yeah, I see. Mookie's coming out. Oh, there's Fudge Stain. Oh, they're so cute. They're just like baby cats. Just a whole lot bigger. Yeah, see, he's coming over to see me. Hi, baby. Yeah, I know. I love my animals. Alright, guys, this ain't no 40-second video. This is actually time on the farm with the cows, the chickens, the peacocks. This is so nice. I love being out in the country again. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. Y'all have a great day. If you don't blame it on Stoner Bob. I put my foot forward. I want you to have a good day. I offered it to you. If you ain't having a good day, don't blame it on me. Blame it on yourself. Alright. That's what it looks like from the backside. Alright, guys, everybody have a great day now. See ya.